Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating dark mode on the Google Chrome mobile app. This is just for mobile. If you are wanting to do this on desktop, check the video description for a link to that tutorial. Open up Google Chrome and in the URL bar up top type this in: chrome://flags and then hit enter. This will bring you to some hidden settings of Chrome browser. In the search bar, search for the word dark. Now I am going to enable these 4 options. Once you have enabled them, click on the relaunch button at the bottom. This will restart Chrome with your new settings applied. As you can see, now dark mode is active. It will force most websites to switch to dark mode when possible. And if you ever want to turn dark mode off, all you have to do is go back to chrome://flags and switch those options back to default. And that was an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.